So, what do we know about Labor Day? We all know that this is an annual holiday and it is celebrated around the world. It is a recognition of the contribution of the workers or laborers. And as in our country, it is celebrated on 1st of May every year. But what do we know about the origins of Labor Day? Basically, Labor Day has its roots in the labor union movements that started in the 19th century, uh, particularly the movement that advocated for an 8 hour day movement. That was like 8 hours of work, 8 hours of recreation, and 8 hours of rest. And this is the concept that we are still practicing as of today. So while most of the countries celebrate Labor Day on May 1st, which is also called an International Workers' Day, some countries celebrate it in different dates. So they have their own significance of the Labor Day with respect to the particular date on which they celebrate it. In Pakistan, we celebrate the Labor Day on May 1st, and it is considered a public holiday. All government and non-governmental organizations, factories, educational institutions, shops, they remain closed. But laborers are allowed to work willingly or without pay or with pay. This is up to them. In United States, the Labor Day is celebrated on first Monday in September. So they have identified the first Monday of September as the Labor Day. But Pakistan's first labor policy was established in 1972, and it declared May 1st as an official holiday. And it also announced significant benefits for the laborers like social security network, old age benefit schemes, and workers' welfare fund. So this is basically how Pakistan addressed to the labor movements or Labor Day requirements of the Labor Day. It's also important to note that Pakistan has been a member of International Labour Organization since its independence in 1947. ILO is the United Nations specialized agency that promotes social justice and universally acknowledged human and social rights. So Pakistan has ratified to 36 ILO conventions, uh, which include 8 core conventions as well. So basically, whether you are in Pakistan or in the United States or in the United Kingdom or any part of the world, Labor Day is basically an opportunity to share the recognition of the workers and throughout the globe, the contribution by the labor. Basically, it advocates for the better working conditions, fair wages, and improved rights of all laborers. So, happy Labor Day and thank you for watching this video.